Welcome back guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in this tutorial I will like to fix a issue of black and white screen of Samsung mobile. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel to get new videos and tutorials when we load that. So not wasting much of your time, here we are seeing that in this mobile the display of the Samsung mobile is black and white, so we will fix it and we'll turn it to normal display. So just go to the swipe it down and you are seeing that bedtime mode is on. So how to get off it, we will fix it. Go to settings, search for digital wellbeing, digital wellbeing, this app information, digital wellbeing, parental control. As soon as this is a digital wellbeing parental control, in which many screen time settings, app timers, focus mode is there, and here you will see the bedtime mode. This bedtime mode is on, which was just showing in the swipe down page. So as soon as we end this bedtime mode, the display will change and it will turn into the normal mode, colored mode. So this is the fix by which we can shift from black and white display to colored display. Sometimes if we need to set the bedtime mode on, then judiciously we can set according to our requirement, so that in that period the display will go black and white. It will save something, it will not go into the sleep mode, it will sleep, save the battery and other things. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you find this video useful, kindly consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.